I'll show you how to make sanding paper sheet for this machine. This is need vacuum, there is need hole. Alright, so this is original sanding machine paper for that machine. So basically you buy like a whole bunch of sanding machine sheet. Alright, so size is a little bit different, a little longer, but this size exact fit. Just the width cut, just the exact width, that's it. So to punching hole, I use this broken my fishing rod, but you can use some kind of metal, like sometimes you can get that from like a car antenna, radio antenna. Okay, you can use probably. So I grind a little bit, I made up, sharpen up a little bit at the edge. Alright. Let me make a bottom template with a wood plate. Let me use the wood drill machine. Alright? Wood drill. So bottom will be the template and top will be the guide. Alright? Something like this. So let's see. Let me punch. Put in the bottom. Something like this. Ooh. Like this. Alright, this is the way to make sanding paper for the vacuum sanding machine. Alright, that's it. Not bad. Exact fit. So I improved my sanding paper, like a vibration sanding paper, vacuum sanding paper, sanding machine paper, like a template, and a punching stick. Alright, I improved. I use this one, use this fishing, broken fishing pole, and but I saved like arrow, you know arrow, hunting arrow. This is aluminum, and I cut it, this broken, chipped off, so I saved it for use. So I found it, this one, and I sharpen up inside, and the exact fit, and I made hole with this. Alright, and template basically before I use what, like a regular wood, but wasn't sharp enough. So this is laminated, I think desk, which disassembled my family and want to throw away this piece of wood, laminated wood. Okay, so they did the lamination, so very sharp, very sharp. This is top guide, and this is bottom, basically template hole. So make exact fit, basically put together basic two piece together. I drill the hole with basic wood drill. Alright, that's my improvement. And so just move around. So I wanna screw, make two screw here and make exact fit and use also as clamp. Alright, let's see. I think I have 6413 drill hole. Alright, so first you gotta make exact hole match up. Alright, so hole is match. Hole is matches. Calm down. Exact matches. Let me drill down. I use countersunk for this. Alright. Need the screw head go down. Alright. The two screw head go down. Exact fit. Exact fit. That's good. And the two washer. Number two washer. Oh. That's it. That's good. So how it works, lift up, so you push in. You gotta match up just the match up the edge with edge, this side and front edge. Alright, that's it. And tighten up. And I tighten up. Alright. So one. So I tighten up. You can just use hand, like a hand. That's good. Now use nice. Goes in. Let me see how it comes out. Oh, look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Better than original. Alright? So you're not gonna lose this two piece, alright? Always put together. Put together. Put together.